Over in Gombe State, the police command has welcomed the recent court ruling affirming its authority to enforce the restriction on motorcycle operations within the state capital. But the plaintiff, who challenged the policy, says he will appeal in a bid to restore the rights of Gombe residents. From Gombe, Hassan, Lawan, Koli tells us more.
Earlier this month, the Federal High Court in Gombe delivered judgment in the case filed by Barrister Abubakar Usamatu, who cautioned the powers of the police command to enforce the motorcycle restriction order. Speaking to Trust TV, Police Public Relations Officer DSP Buhari Abdullahi said the command is satisfied with the judgment.
Prior to this restriction, there was a series of complaints to the police that motorcycle snatchers and killers, the incidents are in very high level, which lead to the enforcement of that restriction on the 12th of June 2025. So, and the court judgment is because we are doing good. After enforcement of this restriction, believe me, not a single day we record anything like motorcycle snatching or killing of motorcyclists and other dangerous related offenses here within the metropole.
But reacting to the ruling, the plaintiff maintained that the judgment is not a victory for the police, insisting the court did not fully appreciate the substance of the case. He says he is already preparing an appeal.
And fortunately and unfortunately, the court haven't had all our responses from both sides. That is my own side and the side of the Commissioner of Police. It finally ruled that my application to challenge the action and conduct of the Commissioner of Police is not backed by law, or there's no evidence to back my position. That's her own ruling, and she delivered her judgment, striking out, dismissing the application for lacking in merit per se. And as of our last next option is that we have since initiated the application requesting the copy of the judgment, so as to go through and peruse them and identify the areas that we feared the court was wrong. So we are appealing against the decision, so as to go to the higher, that is the Court of Appeal, to see their own wisdom too over our dispute before the court.
Barrister Usamatu further argued that the Commissioner of Police lacks the legal authority to enforce such restrictions. However, the police spokesperson insists the policy was introduced in the interest of public safety and not to victimize any group. The leadership of the Gombe State Commercial Motorcycle Riders Association says it has recorded some security gains since the restriction began. For the first 6 months of this restriction, we have not recorded any case of motorcycle snatching or killing of our members, which often happen during night hours. It is indeed a milestone in security angle. But other motorcycle riders across the city say the policy, though helpful in reducing crime, has created economic hardship.
Magana ta domin Allah wannan kan haka ne, an samu sauki wajen ɓace mashin da dare, amma har ga Allah, amma ai wahalan ta yi yawa.
It protects us from criminal-minded elements. However, it's paralyzing our business, and the government has to consider our plight and review the policy. For now, the police-enforced motorcycle restriction is in its 6th month, and residents are waiting to see whether the policy will be reviewed, relaxed, or lifted. Hassan, Koli, Trust TV News, Gombe.